Kasi kung natin pong matatandaan, nung nakaraang linggo lang, nagkaroon na po ng, kumbaga, turf war na tinatawag between NAPOLCOM and sa PNP. And then, nagkaroon na nga po ng, nag-announce po ng, kumbaga, reshuffle o reappointment, no, ng mga matataas nga rin po na opisyal sa PNP. And then, after a week, bigla pong pagpapalit ng liderato, kaya sinasabi mukhang politically motivated po ito. Pero sinasabi rin naman, 'di ba, parang rule of law daw po yun naman po ang pinapaliwanag din ng DILG at NAPOLCOM. Sa inyo pong analysis, no, syempre nakita rin natin yung iba't ibang saloobin ng taong bayan. Opo, sa tingin niyo po ba this is the right move of the president na palitan sa gitna ng maraming may init na issue ang head or chief ng PNP?
Well, definitely meron kasing merong mga parameters, no, and I would say criteria na tinitignan, particularly ang NAPOLCOM, no, with regards the positioning or the releasing of any high-ranking government or PNP official. And I think yun yung naging barometer naman nila dito sa kanilang decision. Yes, true enough, medyo surprising talaga. At yung sinasabi na ilan na kung ililipat siya sa ibang posisyon, it's more of a possible demotion or yung tinatawag nating accommodation, no? Kasi kung titingnan natin, he was riding high, no? Several weeks ago, he was riding high on his position as the PNP chief. Nagkaroon pa ng celebrated bout supposedly with Steto Duterte, and everyone was thinking of him, as somebody who could really pull through some good reforms with PNP. Pero ito nga medyo nagkaroon ng problema. And lagi naman ganyan. There always will be two sides to the issue. No? So if they're saying that it's a rule of law, it's a manifestation of the merits to the case. But then again, other people will say that this is really more of an emotion or possible accommodation to appease General Torre. Siguro at the end of the day, tignan natin dito, no, kung paano pa talaga to titignan ni General Torre at kung anong stance ang magkakaroon siya. Is he going to be against the government now? Is he going to turn back on his loyalty to the president after what happened? But I think a true gentleman will still try to fulfill, no, whatever role will be given to him.
Pero sa tingin nyo, Prof, magandang kapalit kung mai-appoint siya na cabinet member?
I think right now mas tingin ko na mas nababagay siya sa isang position that is also related dito sa law enforcement or sa peace and order, no? Probably NBI or anything related to that, no? Siguro kung cabinet position man, pwede rin naman siguro, pero I hope that it should be in line with the qualifications and the merits that he actually possess para hindi naman lalabas sa sobrang pinilit, no, or parang kumbaga parang hindi tugma or hindi naayon sa kanyang kakayahan yung ibibigay na position sa kanya.